Alright, so it's back together. Ooh, we gotta put this thing on. Hold on. Fluids are in. All cables are plugged in. Ladder is plugged in. Everything is back on. Bumper, huge intercooler. Lights with a little bling bling on, you know what I mean? Lights, a little bling bling. Change my reservoir. Put a new one. Catch can, fittings and everything run through the back of the block. You can see the lines. Not really, but you can see the lines over here. Whatever, they're not in the valve cover no more. Take this out of the way. Good. Oh shit, I got a lot of crap over here. Oh well, let me go through this side then. Here's my little boy and my wife. That's always with me with everything that I do. Neutral. Pump. And first startup going now. Need some lubrication in the belts, but it's on. Check for leaks. Check for leaks. Idling okay. Let's see what's up with the idle. Bell wants to go off again. Oh. Okay, that's the bell. That's easy fix. And well, good thing is it starts. Idle is easy to fix. As soon as I get Neptune back in place, should be good. Let's look underneath it. See stuff. I see some water. There's water. There is water coming from my turbo line. Yeah, it's coming from the turbo line. That's an easy fix though. That's easy fix. Oh yeah, it's loose. It is loose. That's an easy fix. Good. Alright. It starts though. It starts, which is good. This bad boy is ready for tuning. We're ready. Streets, be ready.